This is how soap is made in a modern factory process. Millions of soap bars are produced every single day. The process begins with chemical powders and soap noodles. These materials are the base for making soap bars. Workers prepare the raw materials carefully. Everything is measured to maintain proper quality. The powders are loaded into large mixing machines. This is where the soap-making process begins. The powder is mixed evenly inside the machine. This helps create a consistent base mixture. Fragrance is added to give soap a pleasant smell. Different soaps use different types of scents. Color is mixed into the powder to improve appearance. This makes the soap visually attractive for customers. The mixture is refined using special machines. This makes the texture smooth and soft. Roller machines press the mixture evenly. This step removes any rough particles. The refined mixture moves forward for shaping. Machines handle the process automatically. The mixture is compressed into long soap bars. This is done using high-pressure machines. Long bars of soap are formed continuously. These bars move smoothly on conveyor belts. The soap bars are transported using conveyor belts. This keeps the production fast and efficient. Machines cut the long bars into smaller pieces. Each piece is measured precisely. Each soap bar is perfectly shaped and sized. This ensures uniformity in every product. The soaps are further shaped for a smooth finish. Edges are cleaned for a better look. Brand logos are stamped onto each soap bar. This gives the product its identity. The finished soaps move forward on conveyors. They are now ready for inspection. Each soap is checked carefully for defects. Only perfect pieces move to the next stage. The soaps are wrapped using automated machines. This process is fast and highly efficient. Each soap is covered neatly in protective wrapping. This keeps the product clean and safe. Colorful packaging is added to attract customers. Different brands use unique designs. Packed soaps move quickly on conveyor belts. The production speed is very high. Machines place the soaps into boxes automatically. This reduces manual work and saves time. Boxes are filled with multiple soap bars. Each box is prepared for shipment. Boxes are sealed securely using machines. This ensures safe transportation. Labels are added to identify each package. This helps in tracking and delivery. Finished products are stored in warehouses. They are organized for quick distribution. Workers arrange the boxes carefully. Everything is kept ready for shipping. Soap factory process: loading soap boxes onto trucks. Large trucks carry the finished products. They transport soap to different locations. The trucks leave the factory for delivery. Products are sent to stores worldwide. The soaps finally reach stores for customers. They are ready to be used every day. And this is how soap is made in a factory process. A simple product made through complex steps.